Renowned poet and singer Hussain Bakhsh Khadim Sarwari, son of Pir Bakhsh Bangar, was born on January 15, 1930, in village Suleiman Khan Katian, Tehsil Sawan, district Dadu. In his early life, he was a servant of Pir Rais Habibullah Shah, of village Araz, Tehsil Sawan. Once Pir Rais Habibullah Shah sent him on some work to Makhdum Ghulam Muhammad Maghmoom, the governor of the shrine of Makhdum Nu, from where he stayed there and received spiritual blessings while serving Makhdum Sahib. After that, he took charge of the care of his personal lands during the reign of Makhdum Talibul Mullah. The company of Makhdum Talibul Mullah greatly influenced Hussain Bakhsh Khadim, and later he joined his circle of devotees. Under the influence of this company and conversation, he composed bait, ghazal, and kafi. He also received regular training and correction of poetry from Makhdum Talibul Mullah, and on his advice, he adopted the pen name Khadim in poetry. While living in the proximity of Makhdum Talibul Mullah, he also focused on the art of singing. He composed and sang the poetry of Makhdum Talibul Mullah himself, which made his melodies and poems very famous. Even today, his sung poems hold an important place in Sindhi music, and many singers of the new era are seen following his style. He was especially famous for singing the poems of Makhdum Talibul Mullah on instruments with great melody and passion. Hussain Bakhsh Khadim Sarwari was considered one of the best singers of Sindh. With the support of the Sindh Culture Department, he performed his art in many countries of the world and gained appreciation. His voice and art also reached the common people through radio and TV. He was also an active member of Bazm Talibul Mullah. This renowned poet and singer passed away on March 12, 1992. His final resting place is in his native village Suleiman Khan Katian, where even today his art and name are remembered with respect and honor.